Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Dare to believe. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 18, NASDAQ down 1, S&P's flat. Gold contract down $21.50, traded $1,226 an ounce. Silver down 17 cents at $16.15 an ounce. Platinum off 10 bucks, $9.89 an ounce. Copper flat at $2.16 a pound. Light sweet crude down 31 cents, $41.45 a barrel. The notes down 11 ticks, 130.08. The bonds down 27 ticks, 165.01. Both the notes and the bonds, folks, came down on volume. They want lower price, higher yield. King dollar up 193 ticks at 94.95. You got the euro down 14 at $1.12, and the yen is trading at 109.42. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&P, let's take a look at them. What do you have? The SPYs right now, folks, you did 59 million shares. You're at 208 bucks. Your price projection's 211. You're coming into option expiration. I figured they're going to probably run it into option expiration tomorrow. The ABC structure that we were looking at, that finished out today, folks. Bottom line, hit the number. It's pretty wild how it hit the number, too. 2,087.50 is the number. We hit 2,087.84. Now, so what does that mean to context where we are? Well, as you've been listening, no doubt, that was your price projection. Now, on an ABC structure, folks, this is how it goes. You can do a 1-to-1 ABC structure. That's the normal ABC. And if you pass the B point with volume, you get a pretty good probability of getting up to the 1-to-1. After that, you get a 1 to 1.382, a 1 to 1.50, and a 1 to 1.618. Now, all that means is that if something goes 10 points, the second time it can go 13.8 points, or that's a 1 to 1.382, or if it's a 1 to 1.50, first time 10 points, second time 15. Now, that being said, I suspect what we're going to have here is this, is that the market wants to run higher, and the reason I'm saying that is this, is that the Dow Industrials yesterday took out a B point of a separate ABC structure on the way up. The Dow, that price, the high of the Dow thus far is last May, okay? We're coming into May. The high of the Dow right now is 18,351. That ABC price projection is about 100 points over that. So that, to me, sets up a spike of that high. And if we get a spike of that high, well, guess what? That S&P wants to run a little bit higher. When you put that together with what the notes are doing right now, when I take a look at the notes, we'll go over to the notes for a second. What you have with the notes is this. Today we did 1,049,000 contracts. That's big volume on the notes. We did big volume yesterday on the way down also. We did 1,773,000 contracts. So that's saying that the notes want to run back down to 128. Right now we're at 130. The 130 level puts the 10-year right now at 1.79. That'll probably bring the 10-year up to 1.9 or something. So the correlation, when I look at that correlation, is that, hey, this market still wants to run higher. We go take a look at the NDX 100, the 3 Qs, so you get earnings that just started. We take a look at the 3 Qs. 3 Qs are trading at $110.92. The price projection that we're looking there is $111.84. The small caps, we go look at the IWM. What you have with the IWM right now, we're at 112 bucks, and that baby, that really is, I must finish it off. 112.51 is the number, and we hit 112.70 today. That more than likely also, I suspect, is going to spike higher. Why? Because what the small caps also did yesterday is took out a swing point with volume. Yesterday we did 40 million shares versus the 29 million. So you know what? That sets up, guess what, $1.20. Now let's go over to oil, because what we have with oil is this. You have the OPEC meeting on Sunday. We're at a swing high. And we're not only at that high, but Tuesday and Wednesday, you ran into that high with big volume. Today, you back down with lighter volume. That's perfect to go to do what? To blow away the high of 42.49. So that's the way this is set up at this particular point. If that's what you get, guess what? That's going to put juice inside the oil and gas sector in the equities. We go over to the XLF. What happened with the XLF? Now, the XLF to me is a counter-trend bounce. But the XLF, we're 22.98 right now. This thing can go real easy up to 23.30. That basically is coming back up to ice. Start putting that together and say, guess what? This market wants higher price. What we haven't got yet is this. We take a look at the trend. We're still getting even buying coming across these marketplaces. The trend today was at 0.98. Yes, they were at 1. When you're at 1, that means that if we take a look at, let's say all the stocks in the Dow Industrials, what that's saying is that they're all getting even buying. When you're coming to highs, what ends up happening is that trend is going to get down to 0.50, 0.40 for 2 or 3 days in a row. On a 5-day basis, it's going to run about a 3.4, 3.8. Okay, and what that means is that everyone is buying the exact same stocks. And so what happens at highs is that it's ring around the rosy and you have no one else to sell your stock to. Everyone is bought in, they bought everything, and now who do you sell it to? And they haven't bought everything to make a cash flow. They bought everything to sell it to the next person. That's what makes highs, folks. Now, let's go to King Dollar. What do we have with King Dollar? So King Dollar, and this would be the correlation that King Dollar still wants to go down and markets want to go up. And what you have with King Dollar is this. Today we went up 200 ticks. You did that with 23,000 contracts. Well, guess what? 23,000 contracts is coming into 30,000 contracts, and coming into a little bit higher is going to be 71,000 contracts. All you're doing again is you're doing a counter trend bounce, have lighter volume. Bottom line, it wants lower price. Gold contract. Let's go over to gold. So gold out here today, they hit the gold contract. They have volume behind the hit, down 20 bucks. Not that that's a lot of money. What you do have, however, is that you're coming into Friday. Friday in the gold market can be vicious. We did 197,000 contracts. The low, swing low is $1,210. We did 197,000 contracts there also. The cool thing is that the selling come in before that. I do expect you're going to see that number more likely get tested, but I expect it's going to be rejected also. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials flat. NASDAQ flat. S&P's up 1. We'll get right back.